Hey guys, so I am going live on my Facebook page, but, excuse me, I'm sorry, but I'm also going to be posting this on my YouTube channel. So welcome everyone, welcome to my page, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining. I have no idea what else to say. So I took off all my makeup because there's some products in here that I just received. It's the Lorella, what is it called? Subscription box that they just put out this year, 2021. They just started this. Super exciting. So it's $29.99 a month plus tax, which was like $32 something for my thing. So let's see. Oh, I think I got a card. Oh, okay, so I got a card and it gives you the details, and also it tells me the Lorella Fam Subscription Box. Hey Lorella Fam, our Lurella subscription box is here. We are super excited to bring this value box to our #Lorella Fam. Every month receive 5 to 7 full-size items, get exclusive first access to a brand new eyeshadow palette before anyone else. Receive a variety of Lorella favorites each month, from lipsticks to highlighters. You'll be surprised every month. Price is $29.99 a month plus free shipping to all domestic orders. So that's exciting. And then, yeah, so I got the March box, which is I'm excited for because I was like, oh man, I really, really, really want this one. The other two was really pretty, but I just couldn't do it. So I was like, okay. Alright. So this is just pretty much my order form that I got. And oh my. It just literally slipped right out. Alright. So it pretty much came in like this wrapped stuff, which is exciting. So let me just pull out the products. But it comes with like Lorella tissue paper, really strong tissue paper. Oh my gosh, this stuff is going to be all over the place. They definitely did not get rid of this stuff. That's really tiny. Okay. I'm so excited. Like, yeah. A whole mess of stuff, I swear. Alright, you guys. So, I'm going to start with this. Ooh, okay, so I got scissors from the Lorella. These are eyelash scissors for $8. So they have these for $8 on their website, which is a little insane, but it's okay. I only have one pair. They work nicely, but of course, can never go wrong with some scissors here. Alright, mini Beso mirror. It's really tiny. I mean, they really was protecting the mirror. So here's the mirror, and then the back, of course, it's actually really not that bad of a mirror here. Oh my. I need to get some skincare going. Alright. That mirror is $12. It values for $12, sorry. Alright, and then Ultra Gloss, which values for $10. These things are actually really super nice as well. Some of them are very pigmented. like as glosses, which is kind of nice. Ooh, look at that. Super pretty. Kind of smells like chocolate, but this has like a really like thick consistency and super glittery. I don't, you guys, here's that shift. It has like a light pink shift. It is really pretty. Take that off. Okay. My next thing is like a cream, or not cream, liquid shadow. We have a liquid shadow here. And their liquid shadows are $12. The Ultra Gloss is, I don't know, okay, so I have no idea if I said this or not. I did say, I hope I did say this, but the Ultra Gloss is $10. And the mirror is $5, not $12. Wow. This is hard to take off. Ooh. Aha. Those scissors are good for something, right? Hopefully. Maybe. Yep. Finally. Took forever. Alright, let's see what... Okay, so it's called Goals. It looks like a tan color. Oh, don't have this. I do have a few of their products. Man, that glitter gloss is like still here. So the shadow, the liquid shadow is like a very glittery topper. So I mean it's a very nice product. Oh, I'm gonna have glitter all over the place. Alright, my next thing is I got an individual brush for $7. It looks like one of their blender brushes. Yeah. So their brush is actually really nice. I think I have something like this in a way. I have a few of like this style of a brush, but they're super nice. It's super fluffy and soft. I enjoy their brushes. I actually plan on ordering some of their brushes, which I'm really excited about. They just brought out some new sets, so I'm so pumped. Alright, and then the new palette, which will be launching next month, it is called Wishing on a Star. I follow this girl on Instagram and she actually made this palette. It is super pretty and I love all the colors because I don't have anything like this. So it comes with a nice little mirror. And then look at these shadows. They're so pretty. It has like pretty blues and all of that. And I'm actually going to be making a look out of this today. So I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Alright, so I'm gonna put, okay, let me go in with some setting spray because I'm going I am going to need that. I wish they actually brought out some of their lashes too in this subscription box. They do usually, like I think last month they did. I just, of course I didn't sign up last month. But they do also have a subscription box for lashes, which is really nice. Okay, so let's see. I did. Let's see if I have like some sort of concealer somewhere. I'm just gonna use, let's see if this works. I don't think it will, but whatever. Alright, so I am not really concealing, but I am putting some, like a base down on my eyelids. Alright, and then I'm going to use their new brush that is in here as well. I'm going to try to use like all of their products that I got, and I pretty much lost everything. Okay, so I already used the scissors. I don't need the scissors anymore. I got the gloss right here. Here is the liquid shadow and the mirror. Okay, awesome sauce. Alright, so let's see. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's called Make a Wish. Ooh. Okay, it does have some kickback to their product, which is okay because I'm not doing like what am I'm not like you know, doing like, I am gonna do like a look and stuff, but I am not doing my foundation first. I'm doing my eyeshadows first. Okay, awesome sauce. Let's see. I need a little bit of a smaller brush. Okay, so I am gonna go in with this shade right here. It's called Stellar. And I'm putting that on like my brow bone. They have some really pretty blues, which we're going to use. Sorry, I'm like looking at my sty. I have a sty, you guys. It kind of hurts. I probably should not be putting shadows or makeup of any kind on there at all, but you know, I want to show you guys these. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's called Asteroid. I'm going to put that on my brow bone as well. These are super pigmented, you guys, so if you guys are not used to that, make sure that you guys go in with a light hand, which it's okay. Okay. I'm gonna, okay, hold on, you guys. Alright. I just grabbed this concealer real quick. And I'm going to do a little cut crease as well. I don't really go in with like a heavy, thing of like concealer on my eyelid, because I feel like some of the shadows already are very pigmented, so I don't really need a whole heck of a lot, I feel like. But I mean, I know that okay. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's called After Dark, and I'm putting that, ooh, wow, they're so soft. I'm putting that on like my, like where the concealer is at, and then I'm gonna go in with one of the blues. So freaking pigmented, you guys. It is insane. Okay. They're like nice and soft and buttery. Oh. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in, I'm not gonna do a crazy blue, but I'm gonna go in with Starscape right here, and I'm going to kind of get that packed in on the end. Probably should try something else. I didn't think about doing this, but I should have like put like tape or something. I'll get it cleaned up. It'll be okay. Okay. Alright, I kind of want, let's try this deeper blue. Oh, I was gonna use a liquid shadow. Hey, Christy. Oh well, it's okay. All right. That's really pretty. Really pretty. Alright, I'm gonna clean this up. And you guys are gonna see me do my face. Actually, I should have just... let that mirror out. This is like not my best eye look. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with some of our BB cream. This is 0 to 2 or 0 to light to medium. It is a light to medium coverage. Oh crap, I forgot to put primer on. Oh well. It's not like I'm gonna always put primer on, you guys, so your makeup doesn't go into your pores like mine is right now. At least I used setting spray some, so I think it'll be okay. Alright. Yeah, it's really not like my best look, but it's okay. Their stuff is so awesome. Alright, I'm just gonna use this Maybelline concealer. I'm not a big fan of it, but I just think it's like really lightweight. Doesn't give you like the coverage that you could use if you need coverage. But I mean, if you guys like the lightweight concealer, then it is the concealer for you all. I'm sorry, I'm doing it like really quick. George is having fussiness. A fussiness time. Alright. I'm gonna put on some bronzer here. Get some of that shrinkage look again. Okay. If I was setting my face, I would be using some setting spray, but I'm not setting it. So I'm just going along with like my routine, I guess. Should be alright. I'm gonna quickly do eyebrows. I kind of just like fill them in. I don't really line them like everyone else does. This is crappy. Alright, I probably could have done like a wing liner, but I just am not in the mood for that. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna go in with our Zen mascara, but I'm also gonna get some blush real quick. I'm gonna go in with this peachy one. It's really pretty. Ah, crap. This is what it looks like. It's like a peachy orange color. It's called Peach Blossom. Super pretty. You are liking the peachy vibe, I would recommend getting this. Alright. Gosh, every time. How do I do that? Alright. I need the mirror. I don't have any other mirror in front of me. Alright, I'm going in with our Zen mascara today. Alright, I'm gonna do some liquid lips. Oh, I forgot about eye primer. Could have used that. What the heck, man? Alright, no, I want to do something a little bit lighter. Alright, so I'm just gonna do this. It is like a pink. It's not gonna look good, but it's okay. Because it's not like it's gonna come on or stay on forever. I mean, I'll be taking it off soon. Alright, so I did 02 on my liquid lip, and then I'm going to go in with their Ultra Gloss. It's called Charmed. That's nice name to it. Smells like chocolate. Alright, and it's actually a really pretty gloss. It's a really pretty palette too. See? I could have picked a better color choice, but I really wanted to try the blue. So if you guys have any questions about any of these products, I'm not setting my face because honestly I am going to be taking this right off. I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing of the Lorella box. When I get the chance to, I will type out like the prices of the products and also the value of it. So this entire box, like I said, it gives you 5 to 7 items for $29.99 a month, and I think that's amazing. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6 items. So I mean that's actually a really good value for these products. I think the liquid shadow obviously I did not get to use, but I mean you can use it as a topper, which you can literally use it for a topper. They're so nice. Very blendable, all that stuff, very glittery. I might use that later this weekend or something. I don't know. So if you guys have questions about anything, if you have questions about these products, let me know. I'd love to talk to you guys about makeup. Literally, I'm obsessed with makeup. Obsessed. Not as obsessed as everyone else, but you know what? It's there. So I'll see you guys soon. You guys will see me tomorrow morning. And have a good night. Bye, guys.